Hey guys, what's up? I'm Mr. J. So just subscribe my YouTube channel, Mr. J Bro. So now I'm going to show you how to reduce the file size of an image file without losing the image quality. Okay, it's very useful if you are a developer, web developer. Okay, because you can give a better performance for your audience with these image files, because they are very quality image files, but it has a low file size. Okay, it's very useful to you if you are a developer. Okay, so just follow me, I will show you how to do this. Now open the folder which has your image file. Here is my image file. I will show the file size of my image. You can see it is 1.58 megabytes. Now I'm going to make a clone of my image using copy and paste method into same location. Click on paste. Now I'm going to rename the second image as effect2.jpg. So I will show the file size of it. Yeah, it's similar to first one. Now right click on image and click edit. Okay, it has opened with MS Paint. Do not change anything of this image using MS Paint. Just go to the file tab. Here the file tab. Yeah, here the file tab. Just save the image. You can see the second image. I will show the file size. Here the file size 494 kilobytes. Okay, wow, amazing reduction. Here the first image, you can see the file size, okay, 1.58 megabytes. I will show the details. Yeah, here the details. You can see there is no change with image resolutions. Okay, both are same. You can see the only changing with a file size, okay, 1.58 and 494 kilobytes. When I'm going to open first image, here the first image, you can see the first image effect.jpg and this second image effect2.jpg. You can see there is no change with image resolution. So guys, how about today's video? If you like this video, just click like, then subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video among your friends. See you in the next video. Bye.